Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips to help you succeed in the exciting world of embedded engineering. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our content. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any valuable information. Today, we have a special topic that aspiring embedded engineers will find incredibly useful. We'll be discussing the top 8 skills you need to acquire to secure your dream job in the field. So, let's dive right in. Skill 1. Proficiency in programming languages. Host. The first skill on our list is a no-brainer: proficiency in programming languages. C and C++ are the foundations of embedded systems development. Mastering these languages will give you a significant advantage. Additionally, knowledge of other languages like Python and assembly can also be beneficial. Skill 2. Microcontroller architecture and hardware knowledge. Host. Moving on to skill number 2, microcontroller architecture and hardware knowledge. It's crucial to understand the ins and outs of microcontrollers, their functionalities, and how they interact with various hardware components. Make sure you familiarize yourself with popular microcontroller families like ARM Cortex-M, AVR, and PIC. Skill 3. Real-time operating systems, RTOS. Skill number 3 is real-time operating systems, RTOS. Many embedded projects require real-time responsiveness. Understanding RTOS concepts, such as task scheduling, inter-task communication, and synchronization, will make you stand out as an embedded engineer. Skill 4. Circuit design and PCB layout. Skill number 4 is circuit design and PCB layout. As an embedded engineer, you'll often work with schematics and design PCBs. Having a strong foundation in circuit design principles, PCB layout tools, and signal integrity will make you a valuable asset to any team. Skill 5. Debugging and troubleshooting. Skill number 5 is debugging and troubleshooting. Embedded systems can be complex, and bugs can be hard to find. Developing strong debugging skills, using tools like JTAG, logic analyzers, and oscilloscopes, will help you identify and resolve issues efficiently. Skill 6. Communication protocols. Skill number 6 is understanding communication protocols. Embedded systems frequently communicate with external devices and other systems. Familiarize yourself with protocols like UART, SPI, I2C, CAN, and Ethernet. A solid understanding of these protocols will be invaluable in your career. Skill 7. Firmware development and version control. Skill number 7 is firmware development and version control. Being proficient in writing efficient and modular firmware, using tools like Git for version control, and collaborating with other developers will greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Skill 8. Continuous learning and adaptability. Last but not least, skill number 8 is continuous learning and adaptability. The world of embedded engineering is constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest technologies, trends, and industry standards will ensure you remain competitive and adaptable throughout your career. And that wraps up our list of the top 8 skills you need to secure your dream job as an embedded engineer. Remember, building expertise in these areas will significantly boost your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we